next user script we are going to look at is again located under Extensions, OpenStudio User Scripts, Alter or Add Model Elements, and it is called Merge Spaces from External File. So this is a handy script that you can use if you want to model a large campus with multiple buildings. So we have one building here in this OSM file, and say we have some other buildings located in some other OSM files. So what you can do is you can import those other buildings into this model, and then you could, for example, model the whole system as a campus centralized system, for example. So the first thing to note when you import other buildings is it's going to drop the buildings on origin 000. So what you should do is move your existing building over to make room for the new buildings. And we will go to Extensions, OpenStudio User Scripts, Alter or Add Model Elements, Merge Spaces from External File. And we are going to select this Test 2 building, or rather it has multiple buildings in it, and we'll click Open. And we can quickly take a look at Test 2 here. It is composed of 3 buildings, and you can see that it has several thermal zones in it. It also has some HVAC systems assigned to it. Now, one thing to note, it looks like it has imported successfully. One thing to note, when you import the buildings into your OSM file, it will only import the spaces. It will not import thermal zones, and it will not import HVAC systems. So that is something that you have to take care of after the import, and that's because HVAC systems and thermal zones are more a part of Energy Plus than they are OpenStudio. So OpenStudio is geared more towards spaces and the zones, the loads within the spaces, the scheduling, and the materials and constructions. So you can see that it's now successfully imported that. And if we go to the Render by Thermal Zone tab, you can see that the imported building does not have any thermal zones assigned to it. If we click Save, and if we reopen our model, you can see that it has imported that building into our model. And again, like I said, it does not import the thermal zones, and it does not import the HVAC systems. Another thing to note is you have to have, let's go to the imported building. This is the building that we imported. You have to have your loads, schedules, and constructions assigned at the space type level. Now you will note that this imported building, we didn't have construction sets assigned at the space types level, and likewise on the spaces tab, we did not have construction sets assigned to the individual spaces. That's because in this model, the spaces were assigned at the facility level. And because they were assigned at the facility level, they did not get imported to the combined model. And you will see that if we go to the construction sets tab, this large building had, or this 3 building model had an EC construction set in it. But if we go to the combined model, you will note that it didn't bring in that EC construction set. And that's because we didn't have that construction set assigned at the space level, either on the Space Types tab or the Spaces tab. So before you import those to the combined model, you're going to want to assign those construction sets to the spaces, either at the Space Types or the Spaces tab. You would go to My Model, Construction Sets, and then bring in that construction set and assign that prior to importing it into the combined model. So that is what that function does. Again, it is extensions, OpenStudio user scripts, alter or add model elements, merge spaces from external file. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.